In about 2 minutes, I'll explain to you what you need to know about pathological narcissists. So when you're dealing with a pathological narcissist, you're dealing with lost souls. So people that are in a comatose-like state. And similar to a coma, they are unconscious. This unconsciousness is what we call low-level awareness, and there are many different names for this type of unconsciousness. So we could call it victim abuser consciousness. We could call this the first, second, or third dimension, the lower ego, the lower self. Narcissists are not positive people to be around because they do not have access to positive emotions. With pride as a ceiling and being stuck in shame, you're dealing with people that are stuck in hell. Narcissism, narcissistic personality disorder, then, is spiritual warfare. Since they are stuck in hell, they also have to drag you down to their level because misery loves company. If you can think back in the narcissistic relationship, they were always trying to distract you. They create different chaotic events to get you to chase them. You chasing them essentially gives them more fuel. You chasing them also gets them not to focus on their demons. Narcissists abandon themselves in childhood for an ego, that which we call the mask. The mask is what you have been interacting with since day zero. The mask is who you probably fell in love with. Creating the mask is the grand manipulation. It is the fake personality. It is their grandiosity and also their false sense of self-esteem. The ego, the mask, the false identity is a mind-made construct. It is a figment of their imagination. Think of this as a malicious negative thought pattern similar to how a virus works. This is why they need so much attention, admiration, and validation because you're trying to prop up their false self. You're trying to boost their ego. There are three main traits that you can use to spot a pathological narcissist, and that is going to be one, someone that is extremely grandiose and believe that they are superior to other people. Two, they need excessive amounts of admiration, validation, and attention. This is their narcissistic supply. And three, they lack empathy. So you're dealing with someone that will harm you and they will not feel bad about doing it. Pathological narcissism is a type of severe psycho-spiritual arrested development.